Hey there, my name is Yen Hung, here to explain how to make a proper iced tea that's Thai in origin, Thai iced tea tutorial. First of all, let me go ahead and show you what Thai tea looks like. This is something that you might be able to get at any Thai restaurant. Swedish drink, very refreshing. We're going to learn how to make this at home. There's several steps to this, and it couldn't be easier. First, what we're going to do is we're going to get our Thai tea leaf base here. We're going to be using this brand right here. It's been here since 1945. I figure pretty good bet. Also, it tastes really nice. We're going to make a cut here, incision, and we're going to dig into this. The liquid we're going to make is going to roughly be this size container. First of all, let's go ahead and grab our tablespoon, standard soup tablespoon, and we're going to grab 2 scoops of these Thai tea leaves. And we're going to go ahead and put them in a cup. This is the cup that we're going to be putting them in. Standard, I'd say 10-ounce cup, right about. This is the Thai tea leaves. One and 2. Next, we're going to add our freshly boiled water, 212-degree rolling boiled water, to these Thai tea leaves. I'm going to go ahead and pause and do that real quick. And we're back. Went ahead and added our freshly boiled 212-degree water into our Thai tea leaves. I'm going to go ahead and stir for about a good 20 seconds to 30 seconds. I want to make sure that the tea leaves have a chance to steep in there. There we go. This will be our Thai tea base here. Steeping just fine. There it goes. Our next step is to add the sweetener, so we're going to add 2 ingredients here. First of all, we're going to go ahead and add this. This is the Eagle brand condensed milk, which you can find at any store. Go ahead and grab yourself a standard sized tablespoon. Let's go ahead and grab 2 tablespoons of the condensed milk. Add it to your mixture. goes. You'll notice the Thai tea beginning to change into that characteristic restaurant quality Thai tea. Go ahead and stir for about 10 seconds or so. Now, we're going to grab our strainer, Indie strainer here, and we're going to strain away the Thai tea leaves. How are we going to do this? We're going to go ahead and pour this through this into a secondary container. You'll notice most of the leaves going to the surface for easy straining. When you're done with your straining, you should go ahead and see that most of the tea leaves are at the top of the strainer after having been strained. Here's our resulting mixture. And we're going to add one more ingredient to it that'll give it a little bit of kick. This is our Fairtrade Turbinado sugar. Fairtrade Turbinado sugar, which you can find, again, at any store. We're going to go ahead and grab our standard tablespoon, and we're going to go ahead and grab about 2.5 scoops of this turbinado sugar. This is what turbinado sugar looks like. It's a little bit more grainy than regular sugar. And there it is. Our finished Thai tea, restaurant quality. I'm going to let this sit outside at room temperature for about a good 3 hours to do it. Cool down to room temperature. And I'm going to store it in the fridge for the rest of the day. The next day you should have fresh, chilled Thai tea. And that's it for our video today. If you'd like, go ahead and like and share. Subscribe to my channel. And see you on the next one. This is Yen Hong signing off.